Hey, if you're on the Overland Park area and you're missing a tooth, or maybe even a few, you already know it can be a real pain. It affects everything, right? Well, in this explainer, we're going to walk you through the entire dental implant process with Dr. Mancin and his team at OP Implant Dental. You'll see just how straightforward the journey to getting your confident smile back can be.
So, you're thinking about dental implants, and I bet you have a ton of questions swirling around in your head. What's it cost? What's the process actually like? And of course, the big one, is it gonna hurt? We're here to clear all that up and show you how it all starts with just a simple, easy conversation. Absolutely no pressure, I promise. You know, at OP Implant Dental, the goal is really simple. It's to make sure you feel totally comfortable and that you're in the loop every single step of the way. We believe that when you really understand what's going on, you can feel confident that you're making the best decision for your health and, of course, for your smile. Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. We're going to start with that very first step you take, walk through the consultation and what the procedure is really like, and then we'll wrap up with how to make that new smile last. Let's dive in. So, where does this whole journey begin? It actually starts with one super simple action, just making a call to schedule your free consultation. And when we say free, we mean it. No cost, no obligation, no strings attached. It's just your chance to see what's possible. When you call, you're just going to talk to a friendly person on the team, and their only job is to find a time that works for you to come in. Seriously, think of it less like a dental appointment and more like just setting aside some dedicated time for yourself to get answers and really understand your options. Okay, so you've made the call. Now let's talk about the consultation itself. When you walk into the office there in Overland Park, the two biggest priorities are making you feel comfortable and giving you total clarity about your health. Plan on being here for about an hour, and there's a good reason for that. This isn't some rushed in and out thing. This time is specifically set aside so Dr. Mancin can personally sit down with you, really listen to what you're hoping for, and answer every single question you have. Now, here's a really cool part of this visit. You'll get a complimentary 3D scan of your jaw. It's completely painless and quick, and it's kind of like a GPS for your procedure. It gives us this perfect, detailed map that is essential for making a plan that's both safe and predictable. And this is where it all clicks. With this scan, Dr. Mancin can pull up the 3D image right there on the screen with you and literally point out, see this? This is the quality of your bone. Or, here's where your sinus is. All of a sudden, the guesswork is just gone. You can see the path forward with your own eyes. So now that we have this incredible map of your jaw, the next step is to build your personalized treatment plan. And this is very much a team effort. It's a conversation between you and Dr. Mancin. This is where you're really in the driver's seat. You get to decide what you want. Are you looking for teeth that are permanently fixed in place? Or would you prefer teeth that snap on securely but are still removable for easy cleaning? You also get to choose your comfort level. Some people are totally fine being awake, while others prefer sedation to just relax through the whole thing. Every choice is tailored to you. Okay, but what if this scan shows your jaw needs a little tune-up before it's ready for an implant? Don't worry, that's actually pretty common. Dr. Mancin has solutions ready to go, whether it's something he can do right there in the office or by working with a trusted local surgeon. You're never left hanging without a clear plan. All right, you've got a plan, you're feeling good about it, you're excited. So let's talk about the actual procedure day. And let's just tackle that big question that's probably been on your mind this whole time. So how quickly does all this happen? Well, it really depends on your specific plan. If you're getting a single implant, that surgery can often be scheduled within a week or so. If you're getting a whole new set of teeth, it usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks. That gives the team time to perfectly design and create your custom smile. Okay, let's just address the elephant in the room, shall we? This is the number one question everybody asks, and for a really good reason. But the answer might actually surprise you. Here's a fascinating little piece of science. Your jawbone itself has no nerve endings. So while you'll feel that little pinch from the numbing shot at the beginning, just like getting a filling, you actually don't feel the implant being placed. Most patients are really surprised and say they just feel a little sore for a day or two, often even less than after having a tooth pulled. So, once the implant is in place, your body starts doing this amazing thing called osseointegration. Now, that's just a fancy word that means your jawbone naturally grows around and fuses to the implant. This fusion is what makes implants so incredibly strong and stable. It literally becomes a part of you. This part of the journey is all about letting your body do its thing. It takes about 4 months for that implant to become rock solid. Once that healing is done, the team takes impressions to create your final, beautiful, permanent tooth or teeth. This careful process is what ensures your new smile is built to last. All right, let's switch gears and talk about the practical side of all this, because this really is a valuable, long-term investment in your health and your happiness.
Look, the team gets it. Financial concerns are a big deal, and they shouldn't stop you from getting a healthy smile. That's why you'll get a super clear cost breakdown right there in your free consultation. They'll also help you look into financing options, and they'll work with your PPO insurance to max out any benefits you have for things like extractions, helping to bring your overall costs down. And this is so important to understand. With a traditional bridge, you have to grind down perfectly healthy teeth on either side to act as anchors. But an implant? It just stands on its own. It replaces only what was missing and leaves you other healthy teeth alone. It's a solution that fixes a problem without creating new ones.
So the million-dollar question, how long do they last? Well, with just simple, regular care, coming in for your checkups and cleanings here at the Overland Park office every 6 months, your dental implants are designed to last you a lifetime. You know, at the end of the day, this whole process is about so much more than just a tooth. It's about getting back to eating the foods you love. It's about speaking clearly. It's about smiling in photos without a second thought. It's really a long-term investment in your quality of life. And that's exactly what Dr. Mancin and his team are dedicated to helping their neighbors here in Overland Park achieve.
So, we hope this little walkthrough has cleared things up and maybe even made you feel a bit more comfortable about the whole idea. If you're ready to find out what's possible for your smile in a friendly, no-pressure place, the team at OP Implant Dental is ready to have that conversation. That first easy step is all yours.